Are you looking for the best Chromebooks for kids in 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best Chromebooks for kids in 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Asus Flip C43 for Chromebook. Why we like IT, best Chromebook for students, thanks to a lightweight and durable design, a touch display, and powerful specs, such as an Intel Core M3-8100Y processor. Lightweight and durable design Intel Core M3-8100Y processor FHD multi-touch display for gigabytes of RAM could impact multitasking storage cannot be upgraded. The Asus Flip C43 is the best Chromebook for elementary students, in addition to being great for kids of all ages, thanks to a design that emphasizes durability. This laptop also boasts some beefy specs, such as an Intel Core M3-8100Y processor, meaning it should be able to easily handle all of the latest games and kid-friendly apps. We also appreciated the full HD multi-touch display, allowing instantaneous access to tablet-based apps and games. Though this Asus Chromebook does ship with 64GB of solid-state EC flash storage, this metric cannot be upgraded should you want more storage further down the line. Additionally, it comes with 4GB of RAM, which may create issues when it comes to multitasking. For more storage options, our selection for the best Chromebook for business might work better. At number 2. Google i5 Pixelbook Chromebook. Why we like IT, durable and powerful laptop for kids, with a powerful and speedy Intel Core processor, 8GB of RAM, a 128GB SSD, and a light form factor, weighing just over 2.5 pounds. Powerful Intel Core processor weighs just 2.5 pound, 8GB of RAM and 128GB SSD. 12.3 touch display on smaller side. Extremely expensive. The Google Pixelbook is packed to the gills with impressive features, such as integration with a smart assistant, a powerful Intel Core i5 processor, and 8GB of dedicated RAM. We also appreciated the large and speedy 128GB solid-state drive and the light form factor, as this laptop weighs just 2.5 pounds. The lithium-ion battery can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge, which can easily make it an entire school day. Though the touch display is incredibly useful for the purposes of interacting with Google Play tablet-specific apps, it is on the smaller side at just 12.3 inches wide. Also, this is an extremely expensive computer, likely due to the advanced feature set. It's an excellent option if you're looking for the best Chromebook for writers as well. At number 3. Google Pixelbook Go Chromebook. Why we like IT, high-quality Chromebook with a seriously robust feature set that is perfect for both kids and adults, with a powerful 8th Gen Intel Core processor, 8GB of RAM, and a large 128GB SSD. Extremely light, at just over 2 pound, 8th Gen Intel Core processor, 8GB of RAM and 128GB SSD on the expensive side. Speakers are somewhat weak. This Google Chromebook is perfect for those looking for the best of the best for their kids, as it is packed to the gills with advanced features. It ships with a powerful 8th generation Intel Core processor, 8GB of RAM for multitasking, and a large and speedy 128GB solid-state drive. We also appreciated just how light this laptop is, weighing just around 2 pounds, making it a great option for stuffing in a backpack on the way to school. This is a rather expensive laptop, likely due to the number of advanced features on offer. Additionally, nearly every aspect of this Chromebook is excellent, except the speakers, which are slightly weaker than what is found with some models. For Linux users, our best Chromebook for Linux guide has additional options. At number 4. Acer R714 Chromebook for kids. Why we like IT, incredibly durable Chromebook with an all-metal aluminum chassis and military standard MIL STD 810G construction, with an impressive feature set that includes battery can last up to 12 hours. Large 14-inch screen is touch capable. 8th Gen Intel Core processor, no microSD slot. The Acer R714 is built to last, with an all-metal aluminum chassis and military standard MIL STD 810G construction that can take a licking and keep on ticking. The feature set here is impressive, thanks to a powerful Intel Core processor, 8GB of RAM, and an integrated battery that can last up to 12 hours on a single charge. We also appreciated the large 14-inch Full HD touch display, which doubles as a tablet when necessary. Though this Chromebook does come with 64GB of solid-state storage, which is decent, there is no microSD slot to offer an easy way to add even more storage, so you'll have to plug in an external drive to a USB 3.0 port. It's a great gift for anyone looking for the best Chromebook for artists. At number 5. Samsung for Chromebook. Why we like IT includes a best-in-class lithium-ion battery that can run for nearly 13 hours before needing a recharge, with a powerful Intel Celeron processor and a slim, durable, and lightweight design. Google Assistant enabled slim and durable design, under £3, powerful Intel Celeron processor does not ship with stylus or digital pen. Powerful Intel Celeron processor display is not touch-enabled. The Samsung for features an utterly fantastic integrated battery that can go more than 12 hours, as much as 13, before needing to hit the power outlet. The specs here are also decent, with a powerful and efficient Intel Celeron processor and built-in integration with Google Assistant, allowing users to issue simple voice commands. We appreciated the durable design, with an aluminum chassis, and the relatively light form factor, as this laptop clocks in under £3. Though the specs are designed to be able to run most modern programs and apps designed for children, the 4GB of dedicated RAM could become something of a bottleneck in that regard. Also, the 32GB solid-state drive is fine, more or less, but is certainly on the smaller side. At number 6. Asus C202 Chromebook. Why we like IT, aesthetically pleasing dark blue and silver design, with impressive features such as an Intel Celeron processor and an anti-glare display, making this a great laptop to use in bright rooms. Anti-glare display for day use. Spill-resistant keyboard. Speedy Intel Celeron N3060 processor. Only 16GB of storage, 4GB of RAM. The Asus C202 Chromebook is sure to turn heads in the classroom, as it features an aesthetically pleasing dark blue and silver exterior. The specs are on point, with an Intel Celeron processor and a Full HD touch display that allows this item to also function as a tablet when necessary. The anti-glare display is great for working in bright rooms or outdoors, and the spill-resistant keyboard is built to withstand even the busiest school lunchrooms. While many of the specs here are certainly on point, the 4GB of dedicated RAM is on the lower side. Additionally, the same can be said for the 16GB of solid-state storage, though you can easily plug in an external drive for more storage. At number 7. Acer R11 Chromebook. Why we like IT ships with a pair of excellent stereo speakers, which really allow YouTube videos and kids' music to pop, in addition to boasting a powerful and efficient Intel Celeron processor. Anti-glare display for day use. Spill-resistant keyboard. Speedy Intel Celeron N3060 processor. Only 16GB of storage, 4GB of RAM. The Acer R11 is a great-sounding laptop, thanks to shipping with a fantastic pair of stereo speakers that include audio boost and bass boost technology. The specs here are also decent, thanks to the inclusion of the powerful Intel Celeron N3150 processor and a 32GB solid-state drive. We also appreciated the long-lasting lithium battery, which can go for over 10 hours on a single charge, and the light 2.7-pound form factor. Though the display is Full HD and touch-capable, it is on the smaller side, coming in at just 11.6 inches wide. Also, the display can rotate a full 360 degrees, but it cannot fully detach from the keyboard, so you won't be getting the full tablet experience. At number 8. Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebook. Why we like IT, value-friendly laptop with a robust feature set that includes a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, a Full HD touch display, and a light form factor that clocks in at just under £3. 10 hours of battery life. Intel Celeron N3050 processor on lighter side, and under £3 4GB of DDR4 RAM digital pen not included. The Lenovo Flex 5 comes in at a value-conscious price while offering features in line with higher-priced competitors, such as a powerful Intel Core processor, 64GB of solid-state storage, and an integrated battery that allows for 10 hours of use before needing to be recharged. We also appreciated the 13-inch Full HD touch display, allowing for a tablet-like experience, and the light form factor. Though this laptop can also operate as a tablet, thanks to the touch screen, it does not ship with a stylus or digital pen, so you may have to purchase your own. Additionally, most of the specs are on point here, but the 4GB of dedicated RAM is on the lower side. At number 9. Samsung XE500C13K01 Asus Chromebook. Why we like IT, budget-friendly laptop with some decent features, such as a powerful Intel Celeron N3050 processor and a high-grade lithium battery that can last for up to 11 hours on a single charge. Intel Celeron N3050 processor battery lasts up to 11 hours. Light form factor. At just £2.5, 2GB of RAM, 16GB SSD. The Samsung XE500C13K01 Asus is the best Chromebook under $300. Thanks to a relatively advanced feature set that includes a speedy and efficient Intel Celeron N3050 processor and a fantastic lithium-ion battery that can last up to 11 hours on a single charge. We also appreciated the light and compact form factor, as this laptop weighs just 2.5 pounds and is on the thinner side. Though many of the specs with this Samsung Chromebook are solid, it does include just 2GB of dedicated RAM, which could severely impact multitasking. Also, the solid-state drive is on the smaller side, at just 16GB, though you could easily attach an external drive for more storage.